let me show you how to make this hearty plant-forward salad, inspired by Thai green papaya salad. We'll make a base of shredded green papaya, but toss that with shredded cabbage and romaine lettuce. And top it with fried dumplings for a heartier entree salad. In a small bowl, whisk together fish sauce, palm sugar, and lime juice until the sugar is dissolved. You can use vegan fish sauce if you're trying to keep this dish plant-based. Next, we'll pound together the aromatics. Using a mortar and pestle, pound the garlic and chilies together. Scrape the garlic chili mixture into the dressing. In a large bowl, combine the shredded green papaya, green beans, cherry tomatoes, cilantro, mint, basil, shredded cabbage, and romaine. Gently mix in the fish sauce dressing and toss in the roasted peanuts. Now we'll pan fry our dumplings. Heat canola oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. I'm using vegan Nasoya Thai basil dumplings, which are filled with crumbled tofu and vegetables. Fry these for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they're golden brown and crispy. Lastly, let me show you how to use these Nasoya egg roll wrappers to add a nice crispy texture to the salad. Thinly slice Nasoya egg roll wrappers and carefully fry them in hot oil until they're golden and crispy. Drain them on paper towels. Serve the salad with dumplings on top, some roasted peanuts, fresh herbs, and a garnish of fried egg roll strips.